Our topic types of chemical reaction is going on. Number of topic we have finished. Today we are going to read about double displacement reaction. Already displacement reaction we have finished. Displacements means more powerful element displace the less powerful. So I think you all of you have memorized this reactivity series and name of the element, symbol of the element and atomic number of the element 1 to 30. I think you have memorized, and it is very important for you because of this. This is the root of the chemistry. This is the root of the chemistry, very necessary. So displacement we have seen. In the displacement reaction, we have observed that a single element displaced a single one. है ना? But we are talking about the double displacement. In this, two element will displace to each other. है ना? Because of the radical. Two elements displaced to each other. See, a chemical reaction in which ion get exchanged between two reactant which forms a new compound is called double displacement. See, ion of this compound and ion of this compound. है ना? Ion of this compound and ion of this compound displaced to each other. है ना? They displace to each other. And here new compound form. है ना? Their new compound form. This is called displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. See, this is the type of writing this double displacement reaction. See, example, MgCl2, magnesium chloride react with potassium hydroxide. So magnesium displace potassium and this magnesium displace potassium and form magnesium hydroxide. It displaces and form magnesium hydroxide. Na? Displaces and form magnesium hydroxide. So that potassium also react with chlorine and form KCl, potassium chloride. So two elements displace each other. Means two ion displace from the compound to each other and form new one, new product. Na? So this is called double displacement reaction. In this also you can see this magnesium displaced to potassium and potassium displaced to magnesium. Why? This see, potassium is more reactive than magnesium. See, potassium is more reactive than magnesium. So first potassium displace this magnesium because of this strong radical. This is more reactive, so it will try to join with more strong radical. है ना? So this KCl formed here. In this also there is HCl, there is NaCl. Na sodium is more reactive than hydrogen. है ना? And chlorine is also a strong radical. So this try to displace this hydrogen and join with chlorine and form NaCl and water. है ना? This is the double displacement reaction. This double displacement also called this is double displacement reaction, also called precipitate reaction, neutralization reaction and metathesis reaction. Metathesis reaction means what? There will be two reactant and two product. See, there is two reactant and two product. This is called metathesis reaction. Here written also metathesis reaction, reaction in which two compound in their aqueous solution react to form two new product by interchanging. See, this is main important word. This by interchanging their radicals, है ना? Or ion, their radical or ion. By interchanging their radical or ion. This one. So these are the example of double displacement reaction. Here few more example. Barium chloride, sodium sulfate, है ना? So barium sulfate form and sodium chloride. Sodium is more reactive than barium. You can see reactivity series sodium, है ना? Sodium is more reactive. Barium here not given, but because of valence electron, this sodium is more reactive than barium, है ना? So double displacement. This is the not this. Double displacement here. Okay. है ना? This barium and sodium displaced to barium and form sodium chloride. This is also called precipitate reaction, neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction means what? Acid react with base. In lower classes you have read, and in this class also you will read in another chapter. So little bit you see video about the displacement reaction. It is more clear for you.
Displacement reaction. The chemical reaction in which one element displaces another element from a compound and takes its place is known as displacement reaction. For example, when zinc Zn is added to copper sulfate CuSO4, it displaces copper from copper sulfate, giving ZnSO4 zinc sulfate plus Cu copper. Study of a displacement reaction. Take a test tube and add about 10 milliliters of dilute copper sulfate solution to it. Take an iron nail. Tie the iron nail with a thread and suspend carefully in the copper sulfate solution. It is observed that the blue color of the solution starts fading and the iron nail becomes brownish in color. The change takes place due to the following displacement reaction. Fe, iron, reacts with copper sulfate, CuSO4, giving ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, and copper, Cu.
Okay students, see this one and practice you today only this much. Next video we will start oxidation reduction reaction. Little bit you will learn about with the help of notes also. Okay students, bye.